This is the story of how Logan sold his condemned Kingsport, Tennessee home as is, a failed septic system backing up into the house, uninhabitable, and a clean exit he didn't think was possible. He didn't think anyone would buy it. Favor Home Solutions made an offer and actually followed through. Here's how it happened. Logan owned a house in Kingsport, Tennessee that had become impossible to live in. The septic system had failed, not just backed up, but actively pushing waste back into the home. The property had been condemned by local authorities, meaning it was officially declared uninhabitable and couldn't be legally occupied until the underlying issues were fully remediated. Logan wasn't dealing with a fixer-upper. He was dealing with a property that had crossed from distressed into condemned. The repair path was steep. Septic remediation alone, particularly when a full system replacement is required rather than a simple pump-out, can run tens of thousands of dollars before a single cosmetic issue is even touched. On top of the septic failure, the damage from sewage backing into the home had compromised interior surfaces, created serious health hazards, and left the structure in a condition no conventional buyer would approach with a financed offer. And through normal channels, the options were effectively non-existent. No agent could list a condemned home for conventional buyers. No buyer using a mortgage could purchase it in that condition. Financing the repairs himself meant taking on significant debt for a property he was already trying to get out of, with no guarantee the sale would recoup it. Every traditional path was closed, so Logan reached out to Favor Home Solutions. He laid out the situation plainly, the condemnation, the septic failure, the state of the interior, and asked whether a property in that condition could even be purchased. The answer was yes. They buy condemned and severely damaged houses across Kingsport and all of Tennessee, any condition with no repairs and no remediation required before closing. From there, it was the exit he wasn't sure existed. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer on the property in its condemned, as is condition. Then no repairs were required and no remediation had to happen before closing. And finally, they closed on Logan's timeline. He never had to navigate the condemnation process, find contractors, or wait out a months-long remediation. Here's what Logan walked away with. The home sold completely as is, condemned, septic failed, interior compromised, and all with nothing remediated first. A property the open market couldn't touch found a buyer, one built for exactly this. And the burden lifted, cash in hand, the condemned property no longer his. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on septic remediation that could have run into the tens of thousands. 0 repairs before closing. Favor Home Solutions made a fair offer on the property exactly as it stood and closed on his timeline. And a burden Logan thought he was stuck with forever simply lifted. No condemnation process to navigate. No contractors willing to take on a sewage-damaged property to find. No mounting fines or liability on a property he couldn't use. No months-long remediation and resale. The thing with no obvious exit finally had won. The result? The sale closed, and Logan walked away with cash and without a condemned property hanging over him, a burden that had no obvious exit until he found one. Maybe Logan's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. A condemned property, a failed septic system, code violations, a home no conventional buyer will touch, any condition, or simply needing a way out of a situation that feels stuck. If you own a condemned or severely damaged home in Kingsport or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is any condition, no repairs, no remediation, a fair cash offer, and a clean exit on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.